Good morning, everyone. I just want to do a quick video on this case I purchased at a yard sale a few years back. Again, I just started collecting. I just thought it was cool to see it sit there. I think I paid 10 to 15 bucks for it. At that rate, I mean, can't go wrong. Condition wasn't too bad, a little messed up here, but I think I'd buy them all day long like that. Show you real quick on some of the cars in here. Some of them don't even have names on them, but at any rate, I thought they were pretty cool. They seem to be from like late 70s, 80s. I did get one really cool car, and I'll show you guys that a bit. I don't really know. I mean, there could be a slammer car in here. I don't know. I really didn't search many of them, but the ones with advertising I looked up. I posted on a Facebook site I'm on. I can't get this one out. Oh. It's heavy. Stuff like that's cool. I like that. These ones are pretty cool. All seem to function. China. You okay, honey? You sound like you're getting a little sniffly. You okay, baby? It's funny, I'm collecting these for my two sons, but my daughter seems more interested than they are. She's the one that's always there when I come home with the cars from Walmart and Target and whatever. Two boys are always stuck on their gaming systems. I got a little something going for her. I think you guys can read between the lines. Without me saying it. Ooh, it's pretty cool. Man, I remember this stuff as kids, all these doors and hoods opening. Again, all this stuff seems to, condition is, you know, but look at how old they are. I mean, they're old to me. 51. Now this, I like. I posted this in a Facebook group. Somebody said that these came from, these were released in Canada, maybe somebody told me. I don't know. I can only go if by what somebody tells me. I didn't research this, but I mean, that's what somebody said. So I don't know, but I guess this is one to hold on to. Again, I like this stuff, whether it's Chinese or whatever. I like this stuff with the writing on it. Old school stuff. New school stuff. I'm not really a cupcake kind of guy. And this is like a Chinese thing, but I remember playing with stuff like this with tailgates and doors and hoods. But yeah, I remember this whole set. I know it wasn't more than 15 bucks. Because I figured at that price I couldn't lose. And here's another reason why I bought it. My last name. I'm like, that's cool. But yeah, the case, not bad. I mean, it's not the worst condition. I figured alone that had to be worth the money. But, you know, I just wanted to show you guys. Pretty cool. All right, thank you for taking the time. I get anything else cool, I'll post a video.